This is gonna be exciting. We're here at our latest closed escrow, 58 Havelock, meeting our clients to give them keys. This is gonna be exciting.
Here we go. Yes.
Whoa!
Oh, so excited.
Man. Yes,
All the communication, the support, all the effort, all the push.
Hey everyone, so we just closed on this amazing house that Joe and his amazing team helped us acquire. Yeah, it's been a roller coaster of emotions. I think we started maybe like 3 months ago, maybe, working with Joe. I knew Joe from before, but we were pretty set on a house that fortunately actually, got our offer rejected, and we were pretty bummed. But honestly, despite that, we went and looked out for something that we didn't think would get, and with Joe's help, we were actually able to save a ton of money on the offer because I was about to go crazy on it. And we got this, and after that, he actually helped me find a lender because our lender just like dropped on us. So all in all, everything went really, really smoothly, all things considering, and we can't be more excited to get into this new house with their help.
So, cheers to you and your team, Joe. Thank you so much.
Cheers. Woo,
And
thank
for
you.
anyone
Thank
looking
you.
for an agent, he will get things done, and you'll be happy.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Whoop, whoop.